Hi! In front of me is Infinix Hot 11 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, access settings and choose more connections. Now tap on Bluetooth and click on the switcher to activate it. Following that, you need to wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, just tap on desired one. Then wait for the pop-up. Select pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can always do that by clicking on this icon next to the device and simply tapping on Forget. Now confirm your choice in the pop-up, and as you can see, we are disconnected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!